It is a beautiful start to the evening for our Tuesday. Blue sky, very, very clear and sunny as well to boot. I mean, this storm is moving fast. It is rapidly moving, being pushed by a cold front, pushing eastward towards Alabama right now. Tomorrow, 72 is our high, very, very sunny, and it's going to be sweater weather. We're going to have a very brisk morning following that 43 of a low, but just a quick storm in and out, leaving us with at least an inch of rain, with some of us reaching 2 inches of rain. But again, no flooding. Our low is 41. It'll be cold as a gravestone. Even Ghost will want to cover up, trying to stay warm tonight. Nuclear fusion. And so when that happens, it creates a lot of energy and a lot of light and a lot of heat. Going to cool us off going into the nighttime, where temperatures are around that 55-degree mark, but I expect things to be just a tad lower. But Wednesday and Thursday are pretty much going to be clear sky and picnic weather. And then there's this stronger thunderstorm that's slowly moving into Lafayette County. Now, it's moving fairly slowly, and it's going to mostly diminish going into Lafayette County, hitting Oxford around 5:15. Now, although it's nearly October, it certainly doesn't feel that way, with temperatures hitting the high 80s, 88 degrees right now in Starkville, and very sunny sky with some clouds in between, giving a little bit of a break from the sun, but not too much. As we head into tonight, overnight lows are looking to be around the 60s marker. Now, this map is kind of overshooting those lows just a little bit. Last night, Starkville had a temperature of 63 and Coffeyville observed a temperature of 60. So very much expecting below 65, between 60 and 65 for lows all over Northeast Mississippi tonight. As for the next few days and going into next week, lows pretty much take a dip going into the weekend, and the same for highs. And that's kind of because we are expecting rain and clouds to start popping up and covering the area. But we'll be tracking that out over the next few days. As for right now, not a lot of activity in the Twin States as a whole. Some cloud cover and a little bit of pop-up showers on the eastern portion of Alabama, but way out of our scope. Nothing impacting Northeast Mississippi. Now, we do have Hurricane Imelda putting some showers in the Carolinas and a little bit into Georgia and Florida. Now, those will not be affecting us in the slightest. Both Imelda and Hurricane Humberto, neither of them are going to be affecting us as they push eastward out to sea and become what's called a fish storm, which is great for us. The most amount of impact that we'll be seeing in the U.S. as a whole is some storm surges and rip currents on the eastern seaboard, in the Carolinas, Georgia. Back at home, though, over the next 7 days, high temperatures take a dip going into the weekend, and we'll be seeing a lot of sun around that time, too, as low temperatures take that same sort of dip. But going into next week, into the work week, clouds start to roll in, starting Sunday, and increasing rain chances, topping out at Monday at 20%, helping to keep us warm, but we'll be tracking out whether it gets cooler after. I do believe it will be.